Hello, fellas. Today we are going to react to a song that is from the movie Saranaidu, Sarai Nodu. Sorry. It is from. It is the name of the song is "You Are My Emily," starring Allu Arjun and Catherine Teresa. Uh, I guess the role of Rakul Preet Singh is not been casted in this particular because she comes after some moments have been passed or something like that. Because the storyline, it's the storyline of this particular movie is like just like that. I have seen few of the scenes and I've reacted to it, so it's particularly understandable how the things goes on. So we're going to react to this particular song. But before starting the video, I would like to request you to please subscribe my channel, also the bell icon so you never miss any updates from me. Links to the Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook have been given in the description below. If you want to comment on something, suggest me something, give me any feedback, or follow me, I would love to hear from you guys. So without further ado, let's start. I've done blockbuster reaction. Do check it out. Yeah, I mean, if you see, as I noticed it actually, this particular like video is having a whole day routine of a person who is actually posing as a minister or MLA or something like that. In the morning, it was a routine of her exercise. In the afternoon, she was going around helping people and like a meeting or something like that. And later on at night or in the evening, I guess. She was attending a sports function or something in what kabaddi or something was going on, and in the end, the major role of Allu Arjun in this particular movie was an army officer who had taken a voluntary retirement because what he thought is that the enemy which is outside the outskirts of India or the country which there is inside, there are so many of enemies which need to be eradicated. So that's the reason he took this opportunity to just take a voluntary retirement, and that's the reason this army uniform which he wears in this particular song at the end, it might be dedicated a tribute to that particular character which he's actually playing that thing. So this is it. This was the particular reaction of the whole thing. As I told you, Catherine Teresa is a walking Photoshop. I mean, how can someone be so perfectly, perfectly perfect, I can say. She's glamorous, she's sweet, she's pretty, she's sexy. Oh my god, everything is absolutely amazing for this person. Whatever you make her wear, all her wardrobes is absolutely on point and it's suiting her. And Allu Arjun, as usual, is fantastic with the dance steps actually. This particular song was not that of a dancing type, what Allu Arjun usually does in his normal dancing profile or something like that. It's always out of the world. But this was a chilled song which he was trying to impress Catherine Teresa or something like that. I don't know. Might be one of the things. Talking about the movie, it is absolutely amazing. You need to really watch it for the action. It's amazing from the start till the end. Allu Arjun keeps you engaged. Comedy relief, yes, there's a little bit of comedy relief there over there, and we have Brahmanand, so it's amazing to watch him in all the movies to come and all the movies we have already seen in the past. So in all, Sarai Nodu was one of the fantastic things, having Allu Arjun, Rakul Preet Singh, Catherine Teresa and various other actors, Brahmanand, and also various other actors, which makes the whole movie absolutely amazing to watch. So do watch this movie. I really loved it. You might be loving it too. This was the reaction. This was particular reaction to the song You Are My MLA song, which has around 37 million views. It came out in 2016, as I already told you this. If you like my reaction, I would like to request you to please give a big thumbs up to this particular video, so that I know that you like my reaction. I would be inspired and motivated for more reaction videos for you guys. Also, I would like to request you to please subscribe and also the bell icon so you never miss any updates from me. Links to the Instagram, Twitter and Facebook and in the description below if you want to comment on something, suggest me something or give me feedback or follow me. I would love to hear from you guys too. So guys, this is the timetable of the whole weekend, which is going to be happening from Monday to Sunday. And I'm not sure that I'll be able to keep up to this, but I'll try as much as possible, because it will be entertaining to react to different kind of things. At same point of time, you'll be able to know at what point of time what's going to come. So that's the reason I have dedicated each day to everything. At sharp 8 p.m. you'll be able to receive this. That's on Monday, and on Thursday there will be song reaction. Tuesday and Friday it will be comedy reaction, comedy routine or comedy scene or whatever. And on Wednesday there will be a fighting scene or a normal scene from any movie. It will be Hollywood, Bollywood or Telugu or Malayalam or Kannada, anything. So this will be the thing, and I hope you'll be able to enjoy yourself with my reaction channel and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Do like this video if you really like, because I get motivation from your like. Thank you so much. So until next reaction, next trailer, next review, I would request you to stay connected.